Infor Factory Track for CSI, quantity adjustments. To adjust the quantity of an item at a specified inventory location, the quantity adjustments transaction is used. Note that this process does not support lot or serial controlled items. Factory Track has a few quantity adjustment parameters to control the validations, displayed fields, and processing options that are permitted as part of the quantity adjustments process. These are defined on the transaction set parameters form for the quantity adjustments transaction. For this training, we've enabled these parameters in order to show where those fields appear in the transaction steps. Note that this transaction can support label printing by clicking on the label print parameters to define your configurations. If enabled, the label printing form is displayed following completion of the quantity adjustments transaction. To start the quantity adjustments process, from the Factory Track Warehouse Mobility main menu, click on the Move It icon. This navigates to the inventory transaction screen where you click on the quantity adjustments icon. We then either enter, scan, or search and select the warehouse ID. The field may be defaulted based on the user's configuration. Enter, scan, or search and select the item. Factory Track then displays the associated item description. Enter, scan, or search and select the location ID where the adjustment should occur. Factory Track then displays the on-hand quantity and available quantity. Enter, scan, or search and select the reason code for the change. This is available if the transaction set maintenance parameter for allow reason code change has been selected. Factory Track also defaults this field based on the default reason code parameter. Enter the new quantity that should be reflected as on hand for this location. Based on the item configurations and whether the enable unit of measure parameter is enabled, enter, scan, or search and select the unit of measure to be used. Enter a document number for the material transaction reconsolidation or grouping in CSI. This field is only available if the parameter document number is enabled. Click on the Process button to complete the transaction. If you are increasing the item quantity and the transaction is configured to automatically print labels, the labels are printed. If the transaction is configured to manually print labels, the label printing screen is displayed.